Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Traversing a two-dimensional array in row major order is a classic Java challenge. Let's find the correct code segment to print these integers quickly and accurately.
To traverse a two-dimensional array using enhanced for loops, the outer loop must iterate through each row. Since each row is an array of integers, we use the int bracket type. The inner loop then iterates through every integer element within that specific row. To print the values correctly, we must print the variable representing the current element, which is k here. Choices A and B misidentify the row variable, while C and E print incorrect data. Only option D correctly handles the row and element. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps for option D.